Hi everyone, Editing Hubby here. Excuse my hair mess. Quick disclaimer, in this week's video, the hotel name will not be the same anymore. The reason being is that the building has been acquired by a different company. The hotel that I was staying in was still Shangri-La Vancouver, but now it is rebranded to Park Hyatt Vancouver. The name is already different to when I was staying. I think when I was staying, it was still a week before the acquisition was finalized. I'm sure the name was different, but I'm sure the inside is pretty similar, so enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a new place. This week I'm staying at the Shangri-La Vancouver. Yeah, it's a pretty nice hotel, I would say. It's very authentic to its oriental roots. Without further ado, let's get into the room. So this is the elevator area. Once you get out of the elevator, you see there's a nice decor here. It's a very nice wooden oriental kind of vibe to it. It's green, there's wooden panels, wooden walls, green carpet, very nice. Over here, very nice there as well. Can't be too loud, but this is the room that I'm staying in. It's really nice. Has that wooden door frame as well. 10:05. This is the bell, if you want to ring it. Let's get into it. So this is the room. Now it's pretty spacious as soon as you get into it. The first issue that I have is that it's fully carpeted. There's no separation between where I'm gonna be putting my shoes. I take my shoes off and then switch to the slippers. So I wish they would have that a little bit more of that separation between all carpet. But then this is pretty much the room. This is the deluxe king room. I would say it's pretty nice. It looks a bit outdated, but I can see where they're going with this. You're greeted with this nice mirror over here. The walls, they're pretty much just wood, which I really like, except that area. Yeah, it's really nice. It's wood, and there's a lot of ample amount of space here. You can definitely put your luggage there as well if it doesn't fit on that stool kind of area there, but you can definitely fit more luggages here. You can put your shoes here as well. I'll just take my shoes off here, put your shoes there. This is really nice, I would say. It has a lot of character. And then you're greeted with the bar area over here. You got your glasses, your espresso machine. You got the pods as well over here. And one thing about this that I like is that they show you which one is which. Of course, you cannot forget the tea when you're in Shangri-La. Water, when I checked in, they gave me this water, flow water over here. They gave me this water in the room, so pretty nice. Over here, we've got our bar selection, guest room our mini bar selection. We've got cup noodles, Pringles, all that stuff. Let me see how much the cup noodles are. Mr. Noodles is $5 Canadian. Yeah, I would say it's pretty expensive. Pringles, $5. I can get that for $2. Definitely is not the best value-wise, but it is what it is. Bottom compartment, we've got the fridge. Open it up. Pretty nice. I think the water is free. Hopefully it is. And then you've got your bucket for your ice and the tongue as well. So it's pretty nice, really nice, I would say. And then right next to it is this nice kind of hidden, I wouldn't say hidden, but kind of blend in together with the walls as well, is the closet. Now, the closet's also very spacious. A lot of room, an ample amount of room here in the closet. You've got your iron, you've got your shoe horn, your brush if you have some suede shoes, your umbrella you can also use, but you can't take them home. Some laundry stuff, your hanger. Again, I always appreciate wooden hangers, so this is for your suits as well. So yeah, you got your ironing board. They give you slippers as well. As you can see, there's only one pair. The other pair has already been used by the wife. Shoe shine here as well. Really nice, ample amount of stuff they give you. The safe here, they also provide you with this nice wooden jewelry kind of compartment, so you don't leave your jewelry kind of laying around in the safe, but you can also put it in here and put it in the safe. Really nice touch there as well. Underneath it, there's nothing, but you can always put some stuff in there. And then we're going to the bathroom here. Like really nice. This door as well is really nice as well. It's all just wood. I love about this is when you come into the room, it smells like wood. I love that smell though. And then when you're in the bathroom, you have a pretty good amount of space here. You're right by the shower here. And then you've got your regular shower head. Unfortunately, it's not a rain shower head. This is really nice. I'm planning to go swimming later, so this is good for you to, you know, to dry up your swimming trunks and stuff like that. So really nice. Has this as well. Amenities, shower amenities, L'Occitane. Let me know down below. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but there's an instruction on how to use the shower. Pretty nice. A temperature knob. I also know some knobs in my life as well. The size of the shower, I can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 of me. So it's pretty spacious, but it's not as spacious as the other previous hotels that I've stayed in. Rosewood Hotel Georgia, for example. Click whichever it is. If you haven't watched the review yet, it's all just marble. It's a bit different from the bedroom because the bedroom is all just wood, and then this is all just marble flooring, marble walls, which is really nice. You've got 2 bathrobes here. Really nice soft bathrobes. The toilet, the throne room, I would say. It's really nice. Really nice. It's all just marble. Toilet paper, really, oh, it'd be better if it's both new, but it is what it is. Telephone, I haven't seen a toilet with a telephone in a while. Well, I never reused it anyways. The trash is clean. One thing I like though is it's not just regular frosted kind of glass. It has the pattern as well. So it has a little bit of that kind of pattern here. Yeah, I kind of like it. There's so many different touches here. And this is the bathtub. Finally, another hotel that has a bathtub. Now, the bathtub's pretty nice, pretty huge. I can fit myself here, or if I want to get a little bit more romantic, you know, me and the wife can be in here as well. But it's really nice. It has everything. Has a shower handle as well over here. The faucet, splash mats, hand towel here, and also shower gel as well. So if you want to clean up here before you head into the shower, or maybe sometimes head in here just for the warm bath. Really nice. I really like the vibe of it as well. It's all lined with marble around. Nice lighting as well, which is pretty cozy. So yeah, I like the bathtub. Moving on, this is the amenity area. Pretty nice mirrors, huge mirror. I think this is a TV. You can spend some time. Well, I wish it would be a bit bigger, but I really appreciate that Shangri-La. Again, this giant mirror, only one sink. There's no his and hers. It's okay. The other mirror here for you to do your blackheads and stuff over here. Again, L'Occitane, some ample amount of towels there. The free ones are only this one, Jasmine and Bergamot. I like that. You got more hand towels and toothbrush dental kit. Finally, another hotel that has that. I don't have to call the reception anymore for me to get toothbrush, so really like that. Underneath here, can't really open it. Guess they kind of locked it. And then this towels here. It has that Shangri-La logo as well. Nice touch. Hair dryer. I don't really have much hair anymore, so I don't really need it, but the wife surely does. So another towel there and your bath mat. So it's really nice. And I think there's the view as well. You can open and close the shades with this. So if we just press this, really nice touch. I really like it. And this is pretty much the view. This is downtown Vancouver. It's a really nice view. If you want to take a bath with the view, it's really nice as well. Another thing about the Shangri-La Hotel is like it's both the hotel and the residence. So the hotel, I think it only occupies until like 15th floor or something like that. And then 16th floor and above is pretty much the residences. So people who actually live. This is the bed where the magic happens. I like it because it looks fluffy, it looks nice. The headboard is really nice. The wall behind the headboard is also really nice. It has a really nice touch and color, which I like. I like this kind of vibe as well. We've got our pillow menu. You've got contour pillow, designed for back sleepers. Nice. Foam pillow, release pressure with high unique density. Unique with a unique high density. Foam pillow for side sleepers. Buckwheat pillow, offers comfort, head and neck support, reducing stress. Okay. Lavender pillow, contains lush lavender to envelope, calm, and soothe you to sleep. That's cool. Cassia seed pillow. Shavings from cassia plant assist with sensual night sleep. I think I need that, especially with the wife. So, the bed, it's a king bed. It's a nice bed. Very plush, I would say. It's really nice. Let me check the pillow. I like my foam pillow. Let's see what pillow this is. Oh, it is foam pillow. I don't like feather pillow. Oh, it is nice. And then another bedside table over here. Sewing kit. Oh, I haven't seen a hotel with a sewing kit in a while. Nice. I'll take this home, definitely. And then there's nothing underneath there. So it's a really nice room. And then this is the living room-ish in a way. I don't think you can transform this into a bed. It's just a couch. The coffee table, I've got some stuff over there, which I will show you later. And the TV, it's nice. It has a good base, so you can swivel it around. So if I want to watch something, I can go from the bed and also from the couch as well. And I think this has Netflix, does it not? Looks like it doesn't have it. Could be an old TV. It's not a smart TV. Yeah, I'll definitely check on that later soon. Yeah, there's nothing underneath here. Yeah, not too exciting on that end. But yeah. This is the working space. Probably one of the nicest working space, even better than the Rosewood Hotel, Georgia, because at least you get the view and then you kind of have a dedicated desk. Okay, chair, I guess this is, I don't know what kind of chair this is, but I've got a nice pen. It's not as nice as the one I get from the Rosewood. It's that desk lamp and stuff like that, controls your phone. And really nice touch, I would say. Instead of just an empty wall, they can just put some decorations over there, which is nice. As long as you don't steal it, should be good. And then there's a painting on that end as well. But yeah, this is pretty much the room. I remember, I'm gonna show you something that I've received from the Shangri-La team. I got a note here. It says, "Dear Fatari, we're excited to welcome you at the Shangri-La Vancouver. Thank you for choosing to stay with us. We hope your time here will be enjoyable and to find your moment of Shangri-La." It's handwritten, by the way. Thank you for the hotel manager, Kate. I really, really appreciate it. It's not my birthday or anything, but this is a really nice touch. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kate. A little bit of a gift as well here. I wonder what this is. Ang. Oh, macaroons. Nice. Give you free macaroons over here. I'm gonna eat it later tonight before I go to bed. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the room. Now let's move on to the pool. Right, so right now we are at the amenities area where the pool spas are. So as you get out of the elevator, you're greeted with this nice zen kind of wall with water coming down of it. Really nice. And as you walk through, we've got our juice bar over here. Our swimming pool is over there. It's closed for tonight. It's not 24 hours. I don't think it is. Maybe 24 hours. I don't know. No lifeguard though. Wasn't able to record in the afternoon because there was a lot of people in the pool. This is this Chi Spa, and it's a really good spa apparently. I wasn't able to book the spa because it gets filled up pretty quickly. So we're going to the fitness center. There is the bathroom for men over here, and then the female change room over here. We've got our gym here, really nice and empty. You've got your unscented cold towels. You've got your scented cold towels there. Another towel, dry towel, water dispenser. You got the lockers here too, I think. Oh no, it's not. I thought it was locker. You've got 4 treadmills, 1 rowing machine, 1 bike. You've got your back workout, your push day, your chest. You've got 3 ellipticals, I guess another treadmill, so a total of 5. You've got your Stairmaster, your leg push over here, and then you've got one of these nice cool machines for your cables. You've got water there as well, other bike stuff. You've got a nice full of weights here until 75 pounds. Pretty good area. It's cushioned as well, the floor. And you've got a yoga room, pretty nice, kind of overlooking the Vancouver downtown. Has a really nice smell to it as well. It's scented, so it's really nice and scented as well here. So it doesn't smell. The gym smells really good, by the way. So you're not gonna smell any sweat or anything like that, that musky smell. So yeah, it's probably one of the best gyms I've seen so far. The machine is really good. It's very high tech. The machine is like the newest brand new machines and everything. So overall look of the gym. Yeah, it's really nice. I really do like it. Not gonna be using the gym though, so.
Good morning. Had a pretty okay sleep last night. Did wake up quite a bit, mainly because of the temperature. There is a central temperature here, just right there. Yeah, I mean, it's my fault. I didn't really set it up before I went to bed. The bed is pretty comfortable, but I think the pillow, I'm very specific on my pillows. I like it to be a little bit more firm, but this one, it's very soft, so it's kind of flat. If you like a flat pillow, I think you might like this pillow, but I'd like mine to be a little bit more firm. But overall, how was the stay? I would say this is among top places in Vancouver, at least in Toronto or in Canada overall. It's still short from the Rosewood Hotel Georgia, just primarily because Rosewood Hotel Georgia is a little bit more upscaled. It's a little bit more luxurious, whereas the Shangri-La, I mean, the design is really nice. The design is very Shangri-La. Like this is how I expect Shangri-La to be. But I think it's just a bit too old. The elevator is a little bit old. You can see the age. The room, as much as I love the room, the atmosphere of the room, it is a little bit more on the older side. I'm sure if they put some modern touches, the other Shangri-Las that are around. I think I've seen the picture of the Shangri-La in Toronto, like the room. I've never stayed there, but I see that the room is a little bit more modernized compared to Shangri-La in Vancouver. If someone asked me would I stay in Shangri-La Vancouver, I would do it. One key note is that wherever you go in this hotel, it smells really good. I think they have the diffuser pretty much everywhere on each floor. The hallway, the lobby, the spa area, sometimes even the room too. The room is more like a woody smell, which I like. I think it's a really solid hotel. It's a really good hotel. The service is really good as well. The soft product is amazing. Another highlight about this hotel is that it's very close to everywhere. There's a lot of good places to eat. There's Ding Tai Fung right across the street. There is Paris Baguette, which I got my morning coffee from. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the Shangri-La Vancouver. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like my video as well. Please hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Take care.